topic. So in this video, I am going to unbox the VR goggles. This is the VR goggles, and now we are going to unbox this. So actually, this is a very old piece. Here they give Petron virtual reality headset. So quickly unbox this. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I think this is so old piece. Yeah, here they give Petron and here voice recognition, and we can open it and we can see it. These are for head, and we can adjust goggles backside and front and right and left. We can see here goggles like this, and we can adjust goggles like this. And for keeping mobile phone, they give a option here. We can keep mobile phone here, and we can close this like this. This elastic is so nice, and this, if we keep our head here, this is so nice here, and this is for our nose. And some papers about this. Actually, this is not an papers about this. I think this is the paper of this. Yeah, here. This how we should have to sit and see this. And about adjusters, I already tell you. And this also I have tell you. And here about mobile phone. The mobile phone should be 83 millimeters and 163 millimeters. And also you can scan QR code. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video, and also if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and also you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.